Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I will be showing you these commands in Algodoo. So let's begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Open Algodoo. With this command, you can increase or decrease the number of water particles formed after you liquefy any object into water. Draw an object. See the default value of the parameter. Liquefy the object. You can see the object converted into liquid particles. Now, to increase or decrease the number of these particles, use this command. Decrease it to 100. Liquefy the object. You can see there are a lot fewer particles produced this time. Now, decrease it to 30. Liquefy the object. You can see the particles are now reduced further in number. It may not be exactly 30, but they are close to the number 30. This command increases or decreases the number of undo options allowed. The default value is 30, which means you can undo 30 modifications you made to the Algodoo scene. Decrease it to 1. Now move the object. Click undo. The object comes back, but there is no other undo options available. Now let's make two actions. First, we move the object, then liquefy it. As we only have one undo available, only the last action will be undone. Now make its value 3. Make 3 actions. Move the object, liquefy it, and create a circle. Now you can undo all the 3 actions. Meta cutoff. It increases or decreases the merging of water particles. The current value is 0.7. The water particles look like this. Make the value 1. The water molecules are now more separated. As we decrease the value, the water particles become more and more merged with each other. The default value is 0.5. With this parameter, you can change the color of the water. The default color is blue and the default value is this. You can change these 4 numbers to change the color of the water. The water color is now yellow. Change this value and now it is green. Change this number and now it is black. Now it is red. Let's return to the default value of blue. These two options work together. This one determines the maximum allowed limit of elongation, while this value increases the length of water molecules when in motion. The maximum allowed limit is 1. Let's increase it to 10 so we may have the flexibility to change the length of the water molecules. Now change the value of elongation. As you cannot see any effect of changing the value, the effect can only be observed when you move the water particles. Now you can see the elongated molecules clearly. Now let's draw an object and liquefy it to see the effect more clearly. Increase it further to see the effect. You can see the molecules are now at their maximum length. By decreasing the value, the elongation of the molecules decreases. At 0, the effect is null. This value increases or decreases the reflectiveness of the water. That is, how much the water can reflect light just like a mirror. Draw a laser. Create water. Change the color of the laser to white. Now decrease the reflectiveness. You can see the light is reflected less by the water. Now make it to 10. Now it is more reflective. See the default value, it is 1. Make it 1. This changes the refractive index of water. Make the value 10, the effect can now be seen. To see it more clearly, create an object, liquefy it, now see the effect of changing its value. You can use that at a value of 1, the light can easily pass through. The default value is 1.33. Change the position of the laser to see the visuals more clearly. Now change the value. The effect of changing the value can be observed more easily now. This parameter changes the color of the preview while you draw a polygon using the Polygon tool. Pick the Polygon tool, draw a polygon. You can see the fill color is light violet or pink. Here is the default color value. Change the value of the color. Draw an object. You can see the preview color is now white. Make the color default again. This value changes the clarity of the colors in a window. That is how sharp they are. Make a right-angled triangle. Convert it to glass. Create a laser. Make it white. Orient the laser toward the prism. You can see the rainbow now. Increase the value and see the effect on the rainbow. With an increased value, the rainbow becomes denser and brighter with straighter rays. So this was all for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.